Done with these Walmart brands.
I think I'm gonna at least get for a Trek.
Trek makes some good bikes. Yeah. There's a Luna bicycles. I was really looking into their systems because they have their own unique hub motor that they use. Problem is, I don't know if they went out of business or what, but almost everything on their website is back ordered and you can't order it if it's out of stock. So, because they had tons of stuff I wanted to buy, they also have the fastest electric scooter on the market. Thing does like 40 something. Nope. Nope. But yeah, they have like a square 20-inch bike with fat tires that they have a motor that is a hub motor or a mid-drive motor, but it's 2500 watt, and they call it the ludicrous mode, like ludicrous edition. It's about $2,000 for this bicycle. Holy shit, 2500 watts is like over double what this thing makes, almost triple. Yeah.
I think if I had lighter weight, this bike could as well.
Like I said, I went battery assisted just because it's my daily commuter. So, yeah, I took it everywhere. And I recommend it. Once you do it, it's like, wow. For you, you would definitely want a mid-drive and not a hub drive, because you like trails and stuff. Ha! Yeah. Yeah. Problem is, with a hub motor, you're shifting your weight balance. Yeah. Yeah. Now, if you got like two 500-watt hub motors, one in the front, one in the back, and then did your little magic diode soldering and hooked them up to like the same throttle, the same assist system, and just had an all-wheel drive bike, then it would be perfect for this. 'Cause that thing be pulling you around everywhere. Throttle mode. Yeehaw. Yeehaw! That was some high-speed shit. Ooh. Look out for that rock. Woo! That was a hell of a fucking run.
How's that? That last part there, that's my favorite part.
Yeah, that's a good downhill.
That's my favorite part.
You start booking. I think it might be a little bit too much for Dad.
Yeah, that's why I figured this half is probably too much, but the other half he's probably enjoying. Because this one has that big ditch where he's run through the water. He's going to come on
Yeah.
his bike through the water.
Well, his bike, I mean, it'll handle it just as well as this one will, but yeah.
The other half, though.
If you guys run e-bikes, he would trust it. Because then he'd be like, okay, well, if they can make it, I can make it. But the only issue is if he,
You think, oh, they're on regular bikes. If they can make it, I can definitely make it because I'm uneven.
because he'll look at that and say, well, there's no electronics for you to ruin.
What about these diodes? Larry,
Solder this.
Larry, what about these fucking diodes?
Um,
Mud water.
he's like,
Well, you have fucking an itchy ass all the time when you drink mud water.
he's like, dude, if this is what kids in Africa are going through, I need to do something. Ew. But yeah, that last section, the only thing I'd be concerned with Dad is if his front tire hooked and caught something, he's going to hit very hard. Yeah, he's going to hit the ground real hard, and he may not recover fully from that. That would definitely, he would have shoulder issues and back issues for a while. Were you cruising? Definitely booking. Huh. I'm different. I like my settings to be like really aggressive. So if I'm coming down the hill, I don't touch the brakes unless I need to. And then when I do, it's like, whoa, whoa. It stops like real quick.
Well, yeah, you have bigger tires.
Yeah. Plus, hydraulic discs are definitely an improvement. On your next bike, you'll see. It's a big difference. It doesn't take much braking power to get you stopped. And my brakes are nowhere near as good as my dad's are. His are like stopped. And these ones, they have a little bit more pull to them, but they work very well nonetheless. So which way are we headed and what are we doing? Is there another trail? You gonna try? Yeah. Fucking America. Chinese bike. Hi. Hi, puppers. Hi, you're having a good day, aren't you? Yeah, you're having a good old day. Dude, rolling burnouts on a bike. Mine won't do it because as soon as I pull in the brake, my motor inhibitor turns on. Won't let me spin. Yeah, pretty much. I mean, what a pain in the ass that is. Yeen. Wait, is that another bicycle trail? Stoppies? Nah. If I want to visit my dentist, I'll just call him. I don't need to bust my teeth out first. Yeah, what is this? No, this isn't the... I guess we're taking it. Well, today is that day. Ugh. Ah, lots of overgrowth. Okay. It's still the Simpson Trail, so I don't know. The guy that died must have been. It looks similar. I definitely love the pine forest. definitely squatchy. Anytime I see pine forest, I'm like, yo, dude, if I was a Sasquatch and I was out of Jack Link's jerky, this is where I would be. Can if you want to. There's no shortcut in life, Jason. Ooh. These tires really float over all these bumps, especially those roots. Fat tire bikes, definitely recommended. Not the most agile, but definitely comfortable. This is a pretty sick trail. It's not hard. What? Yeah. Making full use of the grounds they have. It's making full use of the ground that they have. Like if you wanted to get your shortest distance, a straight line would work, but this is nice. Yeah, leisurely. Waiting on you. I'm at the front. You just kind of follow it right down through there, and then it comes up over here and makes a loop and comes over. Yeah. Are you peeing? Oh. Yeah, I was standing here talking to her. Hello, my darling sugar plum. I live on one of them. Foot and left hand loop of the easterly. There's a dragonfly right there in that there tree. Dragonfly hanging from something. You might not see it. It'll start flickering here eventually. Yeah. He's still there. Yep. Some some girl that I was BSing with last night. She was bar hopping or something. I was like, oh, nice. Well, if you find some dude, let me know, because one of us needs to get laid tonight, and I don't think my cat is picking up on any of my advances. He just flicks his tail and looks the other way. Mud riding. I should really get a condenser mic set up and talk about stuff. Do some bihicular vlogging. Whoop. Ooh. I'm definitely feeling the old Bernie Sanders. Feel the burn. Huh. I think it's a deer trail. Yeah. Definitely high traffic